Can AI make mistakes? Let's see. So I asked ChatGPT to multiply these two numbers, and this is the output it gave me. Now let us check if it is correct. So I have my scientific calculator here, and you can see that this number what ChatGPT gave me is way off. Now, the scientific calculator is from the Windows App Store, and this is correct. I've checked it by some other means as well. Also, I've asked ChatGPT to give me an image of a person writing with his left hand. ChatGPT gave me two responses, two options, and both of them a person writing with their right hand. Now you can see ChatGPT has made a mistake out here. So let's try and analyze why. Let's try and understand why is this happening. Now, how does a model like ChatGPT actually give you some output? So first, it breaks down whatever text you're giving it into small bits. They call these tokens. And now we, as humans, see words and sentences, but the AI models cannot do that. So what are they doing actually? They are actually seeing these words as numbers, and they're breaking it down into small pieces called tokens. Now, a token could be something like a word cat, or it could be parts of a word like unbreakable. So that would be different tokens, or even punctuation marks like a question mark or comma, etc., etc. So why does it do this? To basically be able to process these words and understand what you are trying to ask it. So that's how the model works. Now, why is it making mistakes? All these models have a limited vocabulary. So basically, GPT-3 has about 50,000 tokens roughly. Each word like apple or parts of the word or punctuations are parts of these tokens. They have a limited capacity. Think of it like it knowing only what is in your room, and that's not the whole world, right? So ChatGPT knows what is in that room and can give you pretty good answers for what is in that room. Now, if you ask it questions like multiply this number by that number, this falls way outside your room. So it tries to give you an answer, but it might not give you a correct answer. So this is something called hallucination, like how you hallucinate thinking you are doing something right. This is called hallucination. And these models are known to do that. So they're giving you an output, an answer, which they think is right, or they are trying to extrapolate, and they're not actually giving you the right answer. So you have to be a little cautious about this when you're getting a reply from a model like GPT or even the other models. You might not be getting the right answer. So be a little cautious if you want to use this. Now, the next question, why could the ChatGPT not give me someone writing with their left hand? Now, the reason for that is because it has not been captured in that model. How does the image production work? Is a lot of different images have been given to ChatGPT. Think of a child. How does a child learn? The child basically learns by looking at different pictures, and then the child starts drawing. Say it's a cat. So first the parents show the child different pictures of a cat, and finally the child tries to reproduce that cat from their own imagination. So same way, a lot of pictures have been given to ChatGPT. Unfortunately, no picture has been given to ChatGPT of a person writing with their left hand. So that's the reason ChatGPT does not know that people can also write with their left hand. And that's why the ChatGPT always gives you a case where someone is writing with their right hand. So that's the reason why you can't get an output from ChatGPT about this. So you can check this out, guys. You see if you're getting the right outputs. Leave a comment as to what were your findings about this. So now do you think, is ChatGPT good or bad? That's a question. I've made another video on this. If you're interested, have a look at that. And I'll see you in the other video. Take care.